A good analogy for meditation is the gym, because if you do one exercise session, you wouldn't expect to see much, if any, gains, right? But if you exercise every day for half a year, you will certainly see improvements in strength, flexibility, fitness, and probably weight loss. You'll see gains. The same's true for meditation. If you do one session, that's good. It's not bad to do one session, but you won't notice much, if any, difference. The real benefits come from cumulative daily practice. I strongly suggest that you instill meditation as a daily practice. So like I previously mentioned, check out the Changing Habits course to establish this into your day. Check out the morning routine course that I've got up to establish that into your day. I started with 1 minute and now I do 30 minutes, if not more, each day. I didn't start that much. I brought it in over time. One thing I want to highlight to you is that meditation, or with any change, but meditation as well, there is a lag between action and results. You might start meditating now, but you might not notice anything much at all for a month, 2 months, 3 months. So you've really got to understand the benefits why, which is why I harp on about it. And you've really got to know that this is a long-term, life-changing thing as opposed to a quick fix. There are no quick fixes. Meditation will work, but it will take time over time. So I strongly suggest that you implement it daily. Start small and build up. However, there is something I want to address here in terms of duration. Any amount is good. Like I said, one breath over the day is good. Starting with 1 minute a day is so much infinitely better than nothing. But what's the right amount of time? How much time should you do? The books, the theory, sort of technically say as long as possible. I don't like that because you can sort of lose yourself in anything. But what I do suggest is that you build up to a level that you're comfortable with. I think that if you can get to that 10 to 20 minute mark of silence, that's beautiful and it's amazing, and you'll start to really notice the benefits. But what I also suggest that you do is that once a week or once a fortnight or once a month, triple that time, right? So you might be doing, say, 5-minute sessions, but then once a week or once a month or once a fortnight, once every so often, do a 15-minute session. Or if you're at 20 minutes like I am, occasionally I'll do an hour session. The reason for doing such a long session is that it helps you to see where you can get to with more time. There's a real benefit of sort of blasting yourself and with a meditation session. And back to the exercise analogy, if you do the same session over and over and over again, you will see improvements, but you will see far more if you change it up, if you tweak it, or if you go super hard and then scale it back, right? In terms of meditation, I was doing, I think, about 5 minutes, and then I did a 20-minute session. And for the next week, I felt incredible. And I'm like, hang on a second, there's something here. And what I realized is that what I was doing in that 5-minute session was really preparing myself to meditate. I wasn't really in the zone yet. I wasn't really able to be 100% mindful. I realized that it took me 5 minutes, maybe more, to even really effectively, properly start meditating. Because I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking about that, my brain's going off, I forget that I'm meditating, all of this sort of stuff. And then after that 5 minutes, I'm like, oh, okay, I really am here. I am meditating. That 20-minute session showed me that I needed to be doing a longer session. It just gave me that. So then over time, I built up to that 20-minute session. So now I keep suggesting that, and I keep saying that perhaps once a week, once a fortnight, once a month, you do a special meditation session that's a lot longer, a double or triple or quadruple length. Set your timer, do your thing, prepare the exact same way, but do a longer session and see how you feel. And then you might go, okay, well, it was okay for the first half, but by the second half, I just was hating life. Ugh. Okay, that's fine. It's too long. You know now. You might go, okay, but if I could probably up it a little bit because that first half really was good. Experiment and play, but you'll find that you'll get a lot of benefits from the longer session itself, and you'll work out how long you should be doing it daily for you. Everyone's different. Some people might just do a few breaths throughout the day and be completely fine, and that's enough for them. Other people might do 1 minute a day. Other people, like myself, 20 to 30 minutes a day. That's fine. Find what works for you, but experiment with quite a lot longer sessions. So what follows is a 20-minute guided meditation session. Now, when I say guided, it's not going to be me talking the whole time. I will be intermittently reminding you, but most of it will be sitting in silence for extended periods of time. I'll be meditating along with you. Now, if you don't feel like doing this now because it is a massive time commitment right now, bookmark it, come back to it, and use it whenever you like. Okay, so you've got the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and what follows will be the 20 minute. That's good. Use it whenever you need to, but don't feel like you have to do it right now. But if you can, by all means, sit down, meditate with me. We can meditate together and feel the benefits of a longer session. And if you find yourself wanting to go on again or do more, like do the 40 minutes or do the 60 minutes, just replay that meditation again. Replay it again as many times as you need to. Or alternatively, just set the timer on your watch, on your app, or whatever you like, and do the longer session yourself. Let's do it.